right, and welcome to my vlog. Before I start, I will introduce first myself. My name is Riza Abduminan Nuwaz Abdumin, and I'm 20 years old. This vlog is for school purposes lang po, kaya huwag niyo po ako i-judge. Kung may masali man ako, correct me. Ganun lang po. And before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko. So for today's video guys, I will share you my goals in life. First, gusto ko makapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. Second, makahanap ng permanenteng trabaho dito sa Pilipinas or sa abroad. Third, maiahon ko yung pamilya ko sa kahirapan at mapapagawan sila ng bahay, ng sariling bahay nila lang. Fourth, mapapaaral ko yung dalawa kong kapatid at magiging professional kaming apat. And the last, I will earn money for myself and for my future family. And that's all guys. It's so simple. Yun lang po. Yun lang talaga yung goals ko. Yung maganda yung pamumuhay namin kahit sa simpleng paraan lang. Thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming video ko. Bye! See you!